People, this is a very important message. I've traveled to Jamaica many years, and I meet many people. I already got a very special person for a farmer. This man I'm introducing to, his name is Rambo. He needs a wife, one of the most trusted, stable. He's traveled, and he need a wife. So check him out. This is the legendary. You know what? Introduce yourself, Rambo. Tell the world. You're a single man, aren't you?
Yeah, man.
You're a single farmer?
Yeah.
How old are you?
50.
50. So you're single, you don't have a wife?
No.
But you've traveled?
Yeah.
How many land do you farm? How many acres? No, years of experience.
Not a whole heap of acre, but me do a good lot of farming.
So you need a wife to just farm and...
Yeah. Look over my business.
Your business and thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, sir.